안녕하세요. 제 이름은 디샨다입니다. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. Today I will be unboxing my Macy's beauty box for April 2018. I'll leave all the information down below about Macy's beauty box because honestly, I can't remember how much it is. It's like $12 a month. I can't remember, y'all. Whatever. It's monthly. That's all I know. It usually comes in the box like this that I am about to open up here. And while I'm getting this open, I was talking about in my last video, if you watched it, my BoxyCharm about Coachella. I really want to go to Coachella so bad. I don't know how I would do out there in the desert, in the California desert, but I really want to go. Because music festivals are so much fun. It is music festival season. Here where I live in Tennessee. Bonnaroo is going to be happening at the first beginning of June. And then I'm from Chicago, Illinois, so I know all about Lollapalooza. Lollapalooza happens in Chicago. But yeah, I mean, music festivals are so much fun. The music, if you are a music lover like I am, it is awesome. And I know exactly what my style would be at a music festival of that nature. It would be boho chic, absolutely boho chic. I'd have to get my braids back. I would want to get my braids back. I could wear my hair natural, but I want my braids back because it's boho chic. So I would leave my braids long all the way down my back because I would do bantu knots at the top, 2 bantu knots, have the rest hanging down. You know, gotta have a little crop top because it's hot. It's in the desert. So all you really need is like a bikini top and some short shorts, and that's about it. But stylish though. So I would have a little crop top. But I'm gonna make it there. Anyway, I digress. This is the Macy's beauty box. Alright, so this is the card. What it looks like for the month of Macy's. Now I always get a they give us a I gotta hide this. They give us a $5 off coupon for anything there. So on the Macy's website, that is beauty related. So that's what I have in my box this month. I can't see because it's a surprise to me. All right. So I will be referring to the card here as I'm going through my items. This is what the bag looks like. Usually, now last month when I unboxed this, I got like a makeup bag. This month, I got a satchel that says "Be Your Own Beautiful." It's this satchel. See, this is something that I would carry to carry my makeup in if I was going to Coachella, because it's got that Coachella boho vibe to it. Anyway, let's open her up. All right, so. Let me see. 1 second. Let me check this card. The card has prices on it too. All right. So I see something in here that's really cool. Y'all know I love face masks. So bam, I got a face mask from Tony Moly. This is called I'm Green Tea Sheet Mask. Sheet masks are the bomb. I'm happy to get this. Very happy to get this. So this sheet mask right here by Tony Moly is worth $3. Awesome. Next thing, everything else is wrapped up in the pretty little pink. Now with this subscription box, you get samples. You don't get full size, but you get high-end samples. So that's kind of why I kind of like it. And like I said, this is my second month getting this. I usually give my subscription boxes 3 months. After 3 months, I make a decision to either keep you or drop you. So that's just my little 3-month rule. And if I have you longer than 3 months, it's obvious you ain't going nowhere. But this is wrapped very nice. I mean, they double, triple wrapped this. All right, so let me take out all my little goodies. All right, let's go over it. First thing, I got something from Origins. This is the ginseng eye cream. Something about, brightens and depuff. Hey, I need this in my life. Anything that can go underneath my eyes, I need. This right here, a full size is worth $31. And Origins is a really good brand. So, very good skincare brand. Origins, awesome. This is from Kors. Kors. I want to say it's Kors. This is the Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial. Are you a mask? Let's see. That's what this looks like. Nice packaging. The full size of this is worth $48. And it is like a moisturizer. It's like a sleeping facial. So you put this on before you go to bed to help brighten and whiten your skin. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I've never heard of it. That's one thing I like about this subscription is that I get some things I've never even heard of or things I would never try. And it's a sample. And like I said, with these little samples like this, I'm okay with this because I can travel with it as well. So I'm personally okay with it. This is from Kula, and this has SPF 30s for your face. It's a sunscreen. See, I'm thinking Coachella. This bag is giving me Coachella vibes, y'all. This is what this looks like right here. Turn her that way. Wait, is that backwards, girl? Turn it the right way so that people can say it. This right here is a matte tint. Okay, it's a SPF 30 unscented matte tint. The full size of this is $36. All right. And I also got, what is this? This is from Bare Minerals, y'all. This is from Bare Minerals, and it is a tinted hydrating gel cream. And they sent me 4 different colors. This is what it looks like from Bare Minerals. See that? And these are the colors that they sent me. This will probably be my color right here. I could probably use this one as a concealer, probably. I don't know what to do with those two. We'll have to see. But this tells you the range of colors on this side that this comes in. So this is a tinted hydrating gel cream. Again, I'm thinking that this one right here, this is worth how much? This is worth $30. So this will help hydrate your skin. It gives a natural coverage. Again, this is like Coachella makeup too, man, because it's not too heavy. I have a feeling that this is going to be very light. It's going to look like you're not wearing any makeup. You won't look like you have like beat face padded makeup on, like cake face. You know what I'm saying? You can't be cake face at Coachella. You got to be as natural because, again, it's in the desert. It's hot. It's 106 degrees. Yeah. This is cool. Cool. One more thing we got. And we got, this is from Schmidt's. This is rose and vanilla deodorant stick. This is worth $9. So I got like a little mini deodorant. Again, when I travel, this is going to be very useful. This is also vegan and cruelty free. So to all my friends that don't like their products to be tested on animals, which is really bad. That should not be happening. Save the bunnies, y'all. I mean, come on. Yeah, this right here is that. Again, this is giving me Coachella vibe. You can't be funky out there at Coachella. Again, it's hot. You're going to need to, you know what I'm saying? Okay, anyway, let me stop. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, oh my God. It's rose and vanilla. Can you see that? So it's just a solid stick deodorant. Awesome. And that is everything in my Macy's beauty box. Let's go ahead and review. The theme is Own Your Beautiful. This is the bag, what it looks like. I got the Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant. And this is new, by the way. Awesome. I got the Origins Refreshing Eye Cream because, you know, you can't be looking tired out there at the music festival. You got to be looking good. I got the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue makeup sample here. In 4 different colors I got it in. Awesome. And from Kula, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Kula, this is the tinted sunscreen, the tinted moisturizing sunscreen, which is something that you need out there. Stay hydrated too, y'all. If you're watching this and you're at Coachella, stay hydrated because it's hot. This is from Kors. This is the Wild Rose Brightening Sleeping Facial right there. I love that packaging. I like that burgundy color on that. Sweetness. And then the thing that wouldn't fit in here Your girl gotta have a face mask everywhere I go. The green tea face mask from Tony Moly. Very good brand. I love Tony Moly. Alright guys, that's everything in this month's Macy's Beauty Box. If you get Macy's Beauty Box, let me know what you got. I think we all get the same thing. I can't remember. I don't remember filling out a profile for this. I think they just send you what they send you pretty much. Can't remember though. But anyway guys, leave a comment down below because I love when you guys interact with me and leave comments. It is awesome, awesome, awesome. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, and I will announce what that giveaway will be when I reach that threshold. All right, guys, that's everything. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye. And watch Coachella this weekend. It comes on again. Beyonce's coming back. She's coming for y'all. Bye.
넌 나고 난 나